Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to find recently deleted photos on your iPhone on iOS 18. So the first one, in order to find the recently deleted photos, what you need to do is we just need to go over here on tab on the photos, and it might be having a lot of photos. So if you wanted to find the deleted photos, what you need to do is you just need to keep scrolling down and it will from here. We have to scroll down and over here under the utilities, when we get able to see the recently deleted option, so you have to tap on this particular one. So then it asks you the phrase ID or you have to give the passcode. You have to try with either one. So once you give the passcode or the phrase ID and you have to get it blocking. So over here you can see these are some of the recently deleted photos and videos and photo ratings will be here. So again, turns from here again, just select the specific image that you wanted to. For example, if you wanted to select this one, that is what it is. And from here, it is also possible for the accompanied as a master code as well. You can track, and this is where you can find the recently deleted photos over here on your iPhone. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon, and I show you be soon. Bye bye.